We're so happy to be here. And I'm with my family. This is my son, MJ Taklob, and my daughter there at the back. And we're glad that we are with our friends here. Um, we are from IS Church, Adventist International Institute for Advanced Studies in Manila, Philippines. And with us is our consultant and advisor with the IS Music Ministry Department, Mommy Young Song. Thank you for guiding us here, going here. And also one of our professor in the theology department, Pastor Song. Thank you so much for being with us here today. And we are here to do series of concerts to some churches here in Korea. And we will be also be attending the 8th Asia Suzuki Conference. It's 16 countries will be attending there for the musical instrument Suzuki for a week. And so while we stay here before the conference and after, we will be doing some of our music ministry. We're here also to promote our ministry in the Philippines, and like to show some video to you. We are actually missionaries for more than 20 years. We're helping many churches, local churches in the Philippines, and indigent churches. We also build lamp shelters and churches by doing fundraising concerts. And last December, we just had our feeding program in one of our very, very small church. It's just a home church. They just started worshiping in a very small place. And we did our feeding there for more than 30 boys and girls. And this coming January, they will be also starting their vacation Bible school, and we will also be helping them. And while we were here, I received also a message from one of the member of the IS Church that one of the orphanage would like to invite us to do musical concert for special kids at Silang Cavite. And then we will be also be helping the church. We'll be bringing the IS Church Orchestra with my son as the conductor. And so we're happy to share to you what we have been doing in the Philippines. Can we show the video?
Amen.